Hi everybody, I'm Renee from Wanna Scrap, and I'm here today to share with you how I put together these spooky Halloween banners. I absolutely love how they turned out. I made all sorts of different sizes, but for today's video I'm just sharing how I put together a smaller one, a 3-piece one. But if you want to make the words Halloween like I did for one, then you just cut out as many pieces as you would like. Plus plus you have to keep in mind that you have to have all the letters to spell the word that you want. There was more I wanted to do, however I didn't have all the letters to write out all the words. So just be mindful of whatever banner you are going to make, that you do have all the letters to spell out the word that you want to put on your banner. And right here I'm just cutting out a square strip. I'm not making my banners very big at all, so I'm just cutting out a smaller piece here because I want to be able to use them on cards or scrapbooking, or in any kind of mini albums or junk journals. So, or if you even want to embellish another embellishment that you may have made. So I'm just cutting apart these pieces, and I just flip them over upside down just to keep cutting the right size. And there we go. I'll be just spelling out the word boo, so I'm just cutting up 3 pieces here. And I'm just using this old ink pad that I had to get around the edges. For smaller projects like this, it's a lot easier to use the side of the just brush it on like I am doing here. However, it does mark up your ink pad, as you can see there. So I'm just using an old ink pad that I don't really care about. So, and I want the fine dark edges on my banner, because if I use the daubers, it spreads it out more. So I didn't want the whole thing being black, but I just wanted to have a nice sharp outline. And I'm just re-straightening out the B here. And there we go, we got it on. Now these look cute as they are already, however I'm going to put on a little bit more embellishments here. So I'm just measuring out the bling to see how many bling pieces I would need to go across the top of the banner. And because the glue on these aren't the greatest, I'm just adding a little bit more glue here on top just to make sure they adhere properly. And you just want to give them a good press down on there to make sure they're stuck on there really good. And I went ahead and did that to all 3 pieces. And I'm just going to take this opportunity to welcome you to my channel. If this is your first time here, I do get my most creative season in around Halloween time. So, but I do put up videos throughout the year. I've been kind of a little bit lax with during this COVID pandemic, and kind of spending more time with my family and that, so I have not been putting out as many videos, but normally I do. But every Halloween I can't help myself. I get so creative and I just have so much fun with it. So, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please feel free to do so. I'd love to have you here on my channel, and hit that notification bell if you'd like to see more upcoming videos so that you don't miss anything. And I'm just putting a little bling piece here on the very tip. They're very fussy to do, but the overall look I love. So, and there we go, there's all 3 of them done. And next we're just going to grab our twine and measure it how long we want it, and just cut it there. And then we're going to put some glue on the back and just stick it right down there to it. And we're almost done here. This is how easy it is, you guys. It's so fun to put together, and with so many different papers and lettering out there, there's just so many awesome combinations. We're just going to go ahead and get the last couple here done. And that's how easy it is, you guys. They're so fun to put together, and I absolutely love the look of them. And I am including a playlist of all my other Halloween embellishments down below if you'd like to check them out. And have a great day, everybody. Bye for now.